Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video we will take a look at the Bluetooth LED Luminous display mask. This mask is available from various Chinese sellers like GearBest or AliExpress for around 12 to 14 US. This mask comes in two sizes. The one we're reviewing here is a smaller one, and there is also a mask with a bigger display, which is like $2 US more expensive. But apart from display size, there are no other differences. With the mask you also get a USB charging cable, instructions in English, and PM2.5 filter. The belt is fully adjustable, so you can adjust it to different head sizes, even though in my opinion it is a bit smaller like everything from China. It has USB port for charging, and after its 450 mAh battery is fully charged, it takes around 2 hours, the usage time is between 6 and 8 hours. This mask uses Bluetooth to communicate with your phone, and it has 7 different animations in 4 color modes. You can also set your own text with different animations. It also has special music modes which displays spectral analyzer on a display. In order to use it, you must install the Magic Display app, which you can do either by searching on Google Play or by scanning the QR code supplied in the instructions. After installation, you need to reset and turn on the mask by pressing the reset button for more than 3 seconds. Then you'll be able to connect it from the app and set the animations. My thoughts? The material is rather hard and doesn't seem to let too much air flow through it, but it's still possible to breathe normally when you wear it. All in all, nice gadget for the holidays, will attract a lot of attention from passers-by, especially at night. If you like this mask, the link where you can buy it is in the description. Thanks for watching, and if you like my channel, please subscribe.